guys, and welcome back to Tech Girl Brianna. I make videos every Tuesdays, and make sure to thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. Today I have teamed up with hostjane.com to make this really awesome video for you guys. So today's video is about what are the best programming languages. So first of all, I just wanted to say it really depends what industry you're in. The most important thing you need to know is you need to know the right tool for the right job. You know, kind of like when you're driving a car. If you know how to drive a car, you can eventually use that to maybe to advance to learning how to drive a bus or other things, you know? And it's kind of the same with most computer languages that implement input, output, variables, loops, conditions, and functions. If you just learn the basics of one language, then learning another language becomes a lot easier. Now keep this in mind, you can never choose the wrong language, you know? All development knowledge is good knowledge, and someone out there will probably need that skill from you. The key is to learn the best choice, so that way you can take the most advantage of it. And just in case if you switch jobs or later down the line you need to know something else, you can easily translate that information into something that you understand. Those asking, what language should I learn, are probably new to the software industry. It's kind of like asking, what clothes should I wear today? No one can really answer that question for you. Only you really know, and it's based on many different factors. So these are things you might want to consider when deciding which programming language you want to learn. You need to know whether you're actually genuinely interested in programming or not. You need to know and decide what kind of problems you would like to solve. You need to know what hardware and systems are available to you, what time and learning opportunities you have, and all the variables associated with the factors above. But that being said, I compiled a little list for you guys that I recommend learning. So the first one is Java. It's an object-oriented programming language. It runs on a virtual machine, which can be accessed on almost any device. Java is so popular that it is being used on over 15 billion devices worldwide. Plus, over 10 million developers use it. Java is very versatile. It can be used to create Android apps, games, software, and other website content. Some companies that are really popular that you may even know use Java, such as Amazon, LinkedIn, and eBay. A lot of universities teach in Java, so it's a really good one to work off of. So another programming language that's really popular is Ruby. It's object-oriented as well. It's dynamically typed and interpreted language. It's designed for a developer and ease of use. It's a really convenient language to code in for a developer because it is easy to read and you usually end up typing out less for essentially the same thing. It's used with the Rails framework and it's very popular amongst many startups such as Airbnb, Groupon, Twitter, and even Shopify. Another really popular one is JavaScript. It's probably the most popular one, and no, it is not Java. Some people get those confused. It is really easy to learn and it's used by almost every website ever. In the last few years, it has gained a lot of popularity to be used as a web browser or any non-browser domains. So not just websites anymore. In the last few years, it has matured and is being used for many different applications outside the web. It used to have many problems as a language, but recent changes has formalized what used to be a messy experience. During this time, the language has been formalized to better a developer experience. And what's also cool about JavaScript is that there are many resources out there that can help you gain a understanding, whether you're just starting from scratch or you want to learn more about it. On top of that, it's actually easy to learn. And even if this is not an area you want to specialize in, at least get the basics down because basically any web developing job will require you to have at least a basic knowledge on JavaScript. So another programming language is Swift. Swift is one of the fastest growing programming languages. Apple actually built Swift, but what they're trying to do, they're actually trying to replace Objective-C. It was originally inspired by Python, but Swift is basically meant for people that are new to coding and it's pretty easy to pick up. And it's supposed to resolve a lot of the issues that Objective-C had. So basically, if you want to become an iOS app developer, definitely learn Swift. Now, if you're curious what the salaries are for the different kinds of programming developers specializing in various programming languages, starting from highest salary to lowest salary, an average Ruby on Rails developer makes an average of $117,000 US a year. A Python developer makes $116,000. C++ makes $115,000. An iOS developer also makes an average of $115,000. JavaScript makes $110,000. Java makes $102,000. C makes $95,000. PHP makes $86,000. And SQL makes $85,000. What do you think think? After watching this video, which programming language do you think suits you? Are there more than one? Let me know in the comments down below. Please make sure you like and subscribe to see more videos from me. I have some other videos that I think you may find interesting. So at the end of this clip, you should see a couple of videos for you to watch. Tune back next Tuesday for another video from me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at TechGirlBrianna, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!